sokale
sibe no Hempe, sibe Incoko with the legends.
Molweni, welcome. We Incoko with the legends. Host here for Tulani Class. Guys, who YouTube page Ep8 Productions. Episode sets zonke zilapho zifumanako. Review man, like, subscribe, and comment, Also on Facebook, sikhona Incoko with the legend. Follow the page Ep8 man, like, and most importantly, comment, give us comments, give us ideas. Bakhona umuntu endaweni ohlala kuyo wherever owenza impact ufuna ukucinga kanye isitori sakhe singasharisha nami hit us up, we'll come share story sakhe Incoko with the legend. It's about London, it's about ususa abantu abasekonini who are doing things, babe out there, siba appreciate, sibabulele, sithi kubo guys lento niyenzayo nalento seniyenzile nalento niqhubeka niyenza ningayeki, it's the same vision, it's the same purpose. Umbono somnye weNcoko with the legend. Lena i-platform guys, it's a safe place, indawo apho sihlala khona nabantu abazi-legend, abantu abenza izinto that have an impact kwabanye abantu, and sihlala sithetha lento kwiNcoko with the legend, not like we are discriminating okanye we say Incoko with the legend yenziwe ngabantu ababhetha, but if you role yakho uyazi life you are wasting space, you're redundant. London siyithetha because of encouragement that abantu mabazazi ba why am I here kwi university Nikolondoni, it's not like ukhonje, there is a role that you must play, namhlanje sihleli nomdlali weqongo, actress, sihleli nomuntu owenze finding yourself, sihleli nomuntu oqhubeka menze finding yourself, sihleli nomuntu oyazi le role yakhe that this is my role, apha kule universe mina I have to move like this and bafaka ubelieve kuyo yonke loo nto leyo. Ndingakhange ndithethe kakhulu welcome sisikhaya.
Ndiyaphila nkosi njani?
Ukuqala ukubulela ndikhumbula sisincokola ongafunda picture ku-idea i-response yakho, it was like no guys, always waiting for this, Now ukuqala nje usisi Nolukhanyo ngani, sisi just nje ungubani, sisi uzolile.
Okay, saqala ndithi enkosi kwinyamende ngokuthi ini-invite. Igama lami nguNolukhanyo Hempe. Ndizalelwe ndikhulele eTinarha. Ndafunda kwisikolo zalapha, ndade ndaba nesigqibo soba ndihambe ndiye kwezinye indawo.
So acting le nikufumanani nawo nini ebomini bam?
It's so strange. Ndizawuthi ndifumane, I always grew up sitting different because ndisakhula ndikhule ndifuna uba yi-leader, ndifuna ucreate istory neetshomi zam. Whenever sidlala we must do a sketch, you understand? Remember besenzo Sarafina, I always wanted to be Sarafina. So I could say acting has always been there, but ngayazi ukuthi it's a bug ezonhlupha because ndithe xa ndigqiba benifunda eTinarha High, xa ndihamba I said okay, ithi ndiye eKapa to and find something there. Ndifike eKapa, I fell in love with music. I'm a vocalist also, so ndathanda umculo. Uhlala kwami eKapa, eKasilam khona, I felt like it's becoming so small, iKapa for mina eKasi, because now everyone is calling me vanilla. Even abazali babona umntana ungaske umntana mabenje ngawe, we understand. But for me, ekhaya it was not that, because abazali bethu don't believe in those acting and music. So I always have to prove ubana this is working, this is gonna work. It might not work now, but I know as ixesha lihamba izosebenza. So that's how it all came up until I went to Joburg. I went to Joburg to ukwenza into ye-DJing. I don't know why, because I was like, okay, music, I'm tired ngokumane uperforma emathaveni uzobhatala kuzo nizosela ntoni. That was it. So I needed something, and then I went at Joburg. It was difficult, guys. I don't want to lie. Joburg is not a child's play. You must know uba ungubani, ufuna ntoni, uyaphi, because akho nto ingekhoyo eJoburg. Ungahamba apha kokwenu nebag yakho uthi ndiye Joburg and ndifuna le nto, awuzofika ufumane laa nto. You'll get challenges. Uzofumana ichomi ezizothi nansi man try le imali izawuba easy nansi. You can do anything and uyenze imali, but don't sell your soul because awuyelanga laa nto. So believe le nto uyeleyo. That's how I did.
And you know, you said something very powerful that I've discovered that I'm different. And I want you to catch this, guys. It's okay to be different. You know, we singazalana ngabantu abanye sibeze identical twins, but we're gonna always be different, and we have to accept that. How different that maybe me umnanzoba yole type is out university on all that. Maybe mnandi honest that I have to pursue. You understand? So then before like acting, what was like before?
Okay, before acting, I was always a curious child. I always wanted to do something. I've been this happy orange farm, I did dance. Like I was so curious. I'm a black sheep. And funny enough, as school when being clever, I want to emphasize a lot for abantwana bakhulayo. As school when I was so clever, and if distractions umfana will distract you, I don't want to lie. Understand? That's where I was distracted. Because at school when I was so clever. Even my sister would always say, "Good, and stuff," because I was so clever. But because but for me again, that's a learning curve. That was part of my journey. Ubana esikolweni mina ndingabi lento ndandifuna uba yiyo. Iyami direction iphume so because I'm different, and aphetinaga I wanted to do something. Abanye abantu abangazange bayenze okanye babelieve. I've seen bakhona abantu basetinaga, but I always said good, I want to be those people, but I want to be different in a way. So yeah.
So like, is there like a particular, like say, a role model, like in acting or in the industry, like that made you like believe that no, that person, I love him, man. Like
funny enough, I can't say ne? Because I don't know. Ingqondo is always all over, because wherever I go, I learn something. For example, aba bantu ndisebenze nabo xa ndifike eJoburg, it's people bendibabukela eTV, but I always research amagama wabo. Abantu kutheni lona soloko igama lakhe likhona kule film but nakule yalikhona. So I always follow abo bantu, ndiba invite on Facebook and inbox them. I'm curious. I don't care if uyandiphendula okanye ungandiphendula, but ndizakudika to a point ubona bana this is passion. And ndicela into ezininzi, I only ask ubana please man, ndisuke tinarha endaweni engahoyekanga. I just want to be different, because life was a job, it's too fast and uyothusa. I don't want to lie.
And you said something very powerful, and you mentioned the journey. You know, if only people can understand that through the ups and downs, that's your journey. And in order for you to be comfortable in your journey, is to embrace it and say, listen, I'm taking upon this journey, and know that it's not always going to be easy. You understand? Because now people, what they see on TV, they think, wow, that's the life. But when they can go behind, you understand and understand. You know? So far, how experience have of acting,
Okay. I'm sorry, I'm an emotional person. So, each journey I'm acting is, I've been through a lot, guys. But I think it's part of a journey yakhona ubana ungabikho too comfortable. Uhlale usolo ufuna fighter for a different day or something different. So my journey acting iqale ngifike 2014 eJoburg. And because I wanted to do a DJ. But the situation apho ndifikele khona bingani allow ibana ndenze izinto ndifuna uzenza. So bendingumuntu ohlelela ukushina until this one guy ubhuti nje omdaka people ngoba babiza abantu abanyawupe. That guy wathi kum, hayi man, ikhona ihholo kuyenziwa into ze-theatre. I was like, i-theatre, yintoni ngoku-theatre? Mna ndifuna ucula ke if andizu-DJ uyabo. So we went there. Xa sifika phayana, okay, ndiyabona kuya-actwa, ndangena, ndacula. And then ii-bosses zakhona zithanda ivoice yam. So that's where I learned acting. But still, for me, that was not enough. I best figure celebrities by I wanted to be like them. I didn't want to be a fan or whatever. I wanted to and then I met people, celebrities who didn't make me feel less, who made me feel like one of them. So I got that courage and belief about it. And then I started doing the extras generations. But that was not enough because I wanted to speak. I wanted Namu the makeup, we can't figure setting. I wanted that attention bana. Umbrella. That I always have a goal. And should happen, I need to do something different. So from generations, I did. Yeah, I went. Okay, I'm gonna mention few. I did generations. I did season 1 lockdown. I did Isibaya. I did Ungempela. And then we auditions le nto yami yothetha yothanda uthetha amaxhosa mosibanqabile and saba amaxhosa bafuni ke job kuyadika if bazozimela hayi so mna ndiyathetha ke. So I met this girl uGugulethu Mhlebe, big up girl. Ugugu, she gave me an opportunity and I feel like she believed in me. Yeah, well, we're doing Mzansi Magic. That's where I would say that's my home. Mzansi Magic. Ati told me we're doing Mzansi Magic. So by no auditions, I went. Even Mzansi Magic, I struggled because I needed to go to auditions. Line in there. But I made sure go to Ndizoya and uzobambuza budika. Uzothivula camera yakhe nanku lo muntu. And I said, that's me. Dika ngolo hlobo. So apparently bandiza. Film I think I did a wash now. It was a small role, but believe me, everyone, most people, and as wash, but I have 5 other movies. And but it wash because it was a small role. But on TV. That's life, guys. Whatever you get, and embrace it. Because awayazi time what's the point? These 70s so that woman
and that's this attitude enough. And you know, starting from 2014 to now, you know, it's sort of throughout the journey of attitude.
Yes.
Guys, Vanilla Hempe, guys.
Sibele Incoko with the legends. Sibele Incoko with the legends.
Welcome back. Incoko with the legends. Guys, Nyamazi. She's an actor, you know, you know, and that's another point here, the platform. You know, it is to without no edits. Stories are telling work, you know, different about and you had a vision, you know, and you know, in of legacy, understand the thing about is that the only permanent vision,
yes,
is that because no pillar away, and even sometimes I try to convince about maybe abanya bazo connected because it's yours, it's been given to you, only you understand. So from 2014, then when you got here, like your first breakthrough, how was the feeling?
I still don't believe it. Even I don't know how many times I watch my movies, because I want to learn and the fix. Because I always want in the Indians is a bit different when science are also. So that was, I can't even explain it because I still feel excited. I'm always excited, because I not only proving to myself ubana ndiyenzile, I still don't believe ubana ndifike njani ndayenza njani, because zininzi izinto ezindenzekele eJoburg whereby ndingabelieve I'm still here, uyabona. So I still get excited and I'm so proud of myself because ndiyazazi ekhaya I'm this child obengamameli, yabona, and I'm trying to prove to my parents, umakhulu wami notamkhulu wami, abantu abaspende imali zabo bendisezikolweni, but umna ndabadisappointa. So nomama who still doesn't believe ngoku acting because imali ayikangeni ngalendlela yena afuna ingene ngayo, which is nami ayikangeni imali ngalendlela ndiyifuna ngayo, but I believe ubana uqala uzipush, umntana uqala khase before aphakame ahambe. So I always tell her that it is unqama because le mali xa ifika ayizuyibelieve, you understand. So umna even ndinalento yeke bana I don't believe lento abazali athi uhamba nechome wrong, because nakunalamntana kuthiwa nawe ichome wrong. Idide ngibani lo chomi irongo, you understand. Noba ungahamba nabani, it's up to you. Ngozaziyo uba usukaphi ufuna ntoni. Umna ndihlele eJoburg angihleli nabantu abayenza izinto ezinkulu, ndihlale ndibukele, it's my choice. Ndiyazazi na, I always say ke mna eGauteng ndize ngebag andizanga namuntu, ndizawuphinda ndihambe nebag, you understand. So that's why I don't believe umzali athi emntaneni uhamba nechome wrong, no, because nakunalamntana kuthi hayi urong ubani uyabo. So that's the thing endizinike yona eJoburg. That's decided ukuthi I have celebrity friends, but you won't find me mostly kwinto zabo because I'm not there yet. I don't want to spend 200 yami yogqibela trying to please them. Xa ndifika mna erumini yami andinaswekile andinantoni ndilele, izawuba difficult uphinde ndibabuze, you understand. So wait for your time and uhambe ngepace yakho. So that's my life. And
you know, it just reminded me something that I think it lacked, but because of maybe background, schooling, also that it's not about the speed, but it's about the direction.
Exactly.
It doesn't matter how long, but as long as vision yakho yazi, because apha ebomini already umuntu unayo ipicture yobomi bakhe uma ufuna babe njani, but ispeed asibalekanga. You saying that mna ndiyazazi eJoburg, that is you knowing yourself and knowing your role yakho apha life, you know. So ngiyaqasha ubaxelela abazali that I won't continue mna ngesikolo all that. I feel actually, because I could sense
ndiba disappointed ajongana naye. Even now it's always in the thethwayo that iyabajja, because I have friends benifunda nazo endikhule nazo zalapha eTinarha. They are well off, bafundile baphumelele, they driving their cars, and uyabazi abazali bethu ke ubani uyadrive wena ube kuwe udlala ngumdlalo ke lo ndiwenzayo, I'm playing ebazalini, ubani uyadlala. But what I'm saying is it's not about them. Even sometimes I tell my mom, good, you won't understand. Umna benikwazi ume Cape Town ndime estradweni xa ndisithi ngathi ndiyaphambana, ndithatha ispeaker ndisibeke estradweni and just sing. Mama mzothi uqalile uyaphambana, you understand. It's fine, she won't understand. And that's the thing I wanna ukuyiphusha abazalini bana, try to know umntanakho. Not all of us, I'm not saying isikolo asikho right. Isikolo yes, umntana makaye esikolweni, but apha ekukhuleni komntana, if uthe uyayeka, try to understand why. Sumthuka ba uyeka isikolo, try to find intoni umntana agood. Kumnandi ngoku kukho into ezininzi that we can do eziyelwa still esikolweni. When ufuna umntana akho abe ngudoctor, but what if umntana uthi I'm into music, I'm into media, ziyafundelwa ezo zinto ezo. Why ungamsi kula direction? Those are the things ezibulala abantwana eziyenza ukuthi babaleke emakhaya, because uthola umthwalo ne competition ukuthi ekhaya siba yi3 ubani ufundele ba intotona. So wena if uzothi I want to be into media, ayikho lonto leyo uyodlala because abo old actors izibhubhe ezingenamali. It's different now. We are so fortunate now. We even have abantu advisor. We even now we are friends with artists. You understand? So sinabantu abasikoshayo abasikwazi ukusifundisa ngendlela zokuphatha imali. So that's why it's abazali ayisasebenza into ongcola uyabo. So yeah.
You know what you just said, ingangena kabuhlungu because of, like, as I've said, like, because of background, because of experiences. But bazali, you need to try your best. Let abantwana babezizwe izinto bafeel abazizwa, because abazali abazo-understand, and no one will understand iphupha lakho, because elaphupha lakho likuwe qha. You understand?
Yeah.
So, like, Nolukhanyo, like, as umntana ohlala apha eTinarha, like, ngokubona kwakho, do you think we'll ever get Nolukhanyo? Or if not, like, how can we improve,
Okay. What I can say, Itinarha, we have, I didn't get 2014, so since we have about Facebook and stuff, so I noticed we have talent, I mean, abantu talented, but I don't know, Nobana, it depends who you are, okanye ubani, to be given that attention. Not ubana you want attention, but to be given an ear. Yoba umanyelwe, okanye they wait for you to be celebrated. Kude, understand? Until back recognize we are. I don't know. Sometimes when I always say that I'm from Cape Town. Because I don't know, I haven't received that warmth, that thing, and the better. That's why I said to you, Mountain Box, and I said, wow, I'm so grateful, because I have abandoned my needs, and was one scholar class because abandoned my. For me, that is something I still need to come back and teach them. Because abantwana bahlala ezikoneni bayachaya and stuff, I still need ababelieve it xa benibona bafuna unibona ukuthi nizawungena kwesiphi istrata uhlala isali hayi njani uyayi-understand into enjalo. So that's why ndithi eTinarha, I don't know, maybe le nto ndingekho lapha exesha elide, I try to knock ebantwini ndithi I don't want anything, I just want to come and talk, ndithethe nabantwana and tell them it's possible. You can be wherever you want to be. You understand? So I don't wanna lie, Itinarha in talent, but yeah, I think it depends on who I need to get that attention. Okay, that let me not say attention. That moment, space to hear your story and maybe get they gonna bazobanika abantu ngexesha labo.
It's been years now.
What can we do? Yeah.
But how do you feel? You're going to feel like wow. Like I want you also to not take for granted, but you're not taking it for granted, because I remember I was telling the produce like the day like you texted, this man, the picture, the idea, and you were like, I was waiting for these guys. How do you feel when as an actor, I say you make, as a legend, as an actor, how do you feel about that?
What can I say? Okay. That's why in Tibana, I think it depends on who you are, or who do you know, you understand. But honestly speaking, I'm so grateful for this platform. At least it's gonna answer abantu abaninzi. I have a list of people balapha eTinarha. Can't forget TV. A list. So this platform is giving me a chance. Guys, I want to speak because I can't reply to everyone. And some don't attend to reply. I that's not me. We understand. I want to give everyone attention and understand. I don't want to be seen as upagamileyo. That's not me. Even Mandila Petinaha. If ungabona abantu enhlala nabo, you know that into ngxaki lo, because I don't want to put pressure on myself. Ndithi ndihambe ndifuna uhamba neetshomi zam ezi-right because uzathi uphume eTV-ni uze nantoni. I'm not there yet. When that time comes, I'll be able to say, friend, let's go to wherever, and then I go. And for you, udika ndithi xa ndiphakama esitulweni uthi hayi bo, you understand? I'm that kind of a person. So ndayazi baninzi abantu abandibonayo apha ereyini abakutheni into lo That's me. I'm a classical. I think I've learned a lot. I didn't care as long as you have a vision. Uyazazi ukuthi ubani uphilela wena. Ubani ucinga ntoni? Umna if ndiyafuna uvuka ndibele iphara ndibendaka. That's fine. Because I know ubani ubani. And lonto leyo yethusa abantu abaninzi ba. Hayi manje izolo ndibone emdala. Namhlanje sevele TV. Kuzazi ba ubani. It's not even uba uyabreaka but kuzazi indlela yakho iyaphi.
See, if guys express why finding yourself ukuzazi. And finding yourself is it's not about only today, but it's an everyday fight. So that you don't lose yourself, you understand? So it's very powerful and even still it's a job and you understand? So like what can we expect for the future? What is that to expect?
Guys, all I'm gonna say is from me, I'm all about surprises because I push every day. But now what you can expect, I just shot a series. My latest work I did is series Aikakapumi is about 157. It's like every Saturday. That's the only info I can give you. But and
guys, another thing surprise. Cooking up with the lecture. Who YouTube guys, we are the production. Like Sis Nolukhanyo just told us his story, that's why when city even before, like let's say, like let's hold it back, tell us everything.
Yes.
And nangu mntana omncipha intombazana obona wena ebona TV and think that wow, it's easy. Yeah, Sis Nolukhanyo there. I wish now like we mustn't also forget that because it's hard to be a black person. So now ufuna nayo uma actor but ubona wena ukule ndawo kuyo and think that it's easy. So like
okay, all I'm gonna say is I can't easy. It was if uhamba uye Joburg because sonke siyafuna ukuhamba like uphume bana okay ndingwalapha okay it's imphume akho easy. Joburg akho easy. Awuveki uveki ungene e-studio and then ushute bathathe. It's not easy and uzotestwa. Wesixango ngixhosa amaxhosa athanda imali bazokloba ngemali. It's all about you. Sonke izinto kune drugs phayana abantu abathengisa ngomzimba yonke into ikhona it's up to you. Zazi uba ungubani ukhuliswe kanjani. Mina ndikhuliswa kabuhlungu umakhulu wami notamkhulu wami besilwa like fighting for sibe better but ndaba disappointed. So that thing always ihlele engqondweni yami ba I always pray ndithi uThixo before umakhulu wami notamkhulu wami basweleke makababambe until ngiyenze lento ngifuna bayenzela and then they can because I don't want to give them flowers zabo sebelele. That's waste for una. So abantwana abancinci I don't even want to say girls because we tend to forget about boys. We tend to forget boys. That's why they end up in anger. Because we always sideline them. I was blessed enough so dimthatha as umntana oyintombazana because andifuni afile ingathi yena different yabo. So because ngoku yonke into eyenzeka umntana oyikwekwe can get raped, umntana oyintombazana get raped. So for me into eyi-one. So as a girl child and a boy child, if you decide ukuba ngumuntu you want to take a journey, another step elifini, zazi uba ngubani ufuna ntoni. Ayikho ichome wrong, ayikho ichome right. It's all about you. Ne? Suncakama ngomuntu just because uthulani uthi hayi man masichaye man kayi-one uyive. If you don't want to do it, awuyiqhelanga, don't do it. Uthulani can smoke apha ecam kwakho agqibe nawe utya ibhiskithi bawufuna utya ibhiskithi akho nto uzayiphuma. I understand. So don't live to impress. That's me. I don't live to impress umna. Ndiphile life yami ngexesha lami ngendlela yami. That's all I'm going to say.
Sis Nolukhanyo ugqibile and for me now feel like there's nothing to say also. But okokuqala la ukubulela. Thank you for honoring the invite. Thank you also for believing that the stories are shared and and I believe that the platform yokuqala whether you have given.
Wow, enkosi guys.
So shout out to you, Incoko with the legends. Guys, you know, and the news I take is about controversial because of, you know, subject when lives as people that much because it's going to affect abanye abantu. But listening to your stories, Nolukhanyo, you know, and you know, it's so painful, you know. From 1994, ufumana kwethu kule, still in 2022, i-government schools, kukwizinto esingazi-ofarishiyo for 28 years. Ezibangela thina singabazali nabanye abazali to take kids, abantwana bethu sibase kwi-so-called private schools because i-system education, it's not supporting dreams. If utishara sees that lo mntana udom but akakho mntu uzawuhlala check okay lo mntana njengoba nje incwadi zakhe enga excel kuzo what enye into, you know. I'm not talking bad about the government, but I'm not talking bad even about the system. I'm saying also government should look at the system.
Yeah, mana ndithetha ibhodwa am iyakland ukuthi ndithi i-system I think bayalityalwa abantwana. Not everyone uzoba nengqondo efanayo and stuff. For example, I'm going to make example ngomntanam, ne? Umntanam akadlali, if uhleli so udlala i-1, he likes to usenzela i-beat and stuff. He's 12, ne? And stuff okanye umbona athatha ama-video wenza into ze-acting. For me, I see a creative person, ne? But ekhaya you understand? And afuneka senze homework kuyaliwa, where I understand. For me, I see a different person and I didn't blame it because umama yakhe uyaphambana. So iyasulela impambano, uyabo. So that's why ndithi government ingathi nathi as i-artist. That's why it's end up usibona sesihamba esitratweni sithetha sodwa ingathi siyaphambana. Awuphambani into ye-art ifana nento yentwaso lengathi uyaphambana uhamba uthetha wedwa because kunento ezibethayo apha you have ideas. That's why I was saying I'm not only an actress, I'm a vocalist. I sing, I write songs. I worked with Abo Catalyst. I did songs with Catalyst before I was even an actress. So ininzi nje into yenzeke engqondweni yami, you understand?
Government. Yeah. Eastern Cape government. It's so painful that funeka Nolukhanyo bahambe bafike emaJoburg because of Eastern Cape ayifuna ubabona abantu bazi. You understand? Now so talk about kanti Nolukhanyo ihlale thina. Government, come on. You know, looking to abantu abanezakhono and invest. You know, stories ka Nolukhanyo, you know, to sum it all up, guys. Sazi, you know. And into yozazi ayiphelile only namhlanje every day. La nto yenziwa ngamazolwazi la rotation. Ukuzazi lokho kwenzela ungaphulukani na. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Iphupha lakho libonwa nguwe ngophila kulo. If wena uzokholelwa kho mntu uzokholelwa kulo. You need to believe in yourself and understand that ups and downs, that's life. Ubomi obo bunjalo ubomi. That's your journey and it's okay to be different, guys. Guys, as we always do, if we are that means we are wasting space, you are redundant. And not that all that, but we are saying that Kubas encourage that find out play universe, what role I need to play. Who YouTube guys, Mende Productions, if you will subscribe, guys, like Facebook, Incoko with the legend. You know, follow the page, like, comment if we come to in society or community who you that owns is in or with an impact. Hit us up, we'll come. Say Valentine, we'll see.
Sibe no hebe, sibe no hebe, sibe Incoko, sibe no hebe, sibe no hebe, sibe Incoko with the legend. sibe nodliwa nodlebe, sibe nodliwa nodlebe, sibe